Dreaming of landing a six-figure job? Tech careers are booming, and NFT expertise is taking the spotlight. But competition is fierce, and standing out requires the right skills. With TechSmart by AEI, we have designed 3 exclusive levels to boost your career prospects. Level 1, Certification Package, Self-Paced Learning. Perfect for beginners who want to upskill on their own schedule. Complete a comprehensive blockchain certification course, earn a verifiable NFT credential, and take your first step into this high-demand field. Level 2, Career Ready Package, Live Classes and Certification. Go beyond the basics with live interactive classes led by industry experts. Gain insights into career paths in AI, blockchain, and tech development. Network, ask questions, and learn how to apply these skills in today's job market. Level 3, Global Pro Package, Career Coaching and English Proficiency. Our most comprehensive package. Alongside certification, get full career coaching, English proficiency training, and personalized job prep. We prepare you to succeed in global roles, from resume building to interview skills. NFTs are revolutionizing industries, from digital art to real estate, gaming, and even luxury brands. The NFT market is projected to hit $80 billion by 2025. Imagine the possibilities. NFT developer, blockchain architect, smart contract specialist. With certification from TechSmart by AEI, you'll be ready to make waves in tech's most cutting-edge fields. Certified NFT professionals often earn upwards of $105,000 a year, making it an investment that pays off fast. But it's not just about the money, it's about being on the frontier of digital transformation. Take it from those who've been there. TechSmart's NFT certification has been a game changer for students. Gain in-demand skills, network with industry experts, and make your mark. Are you ready to invest in your future? Join TechSmart by AEI and become a certified NFT professional. Stand out, get certified, and lead the future of tech. American Education International, your bridge to a brighter future.